Guys, welcome back to 3 Bricks Higher. What if I told you that you could use Mother Nature to rid your yard of ant beds? Not only is it chemical free, but it's extremely effective and it's so safe a child could do it without getting bit. Do I have your attention? Well, then let's get on to it. Now guys, where they built that bed in your yard, that was not randomly selected. It met certain criteria that would ensure growth population for that bed. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna disturb that criteria.
Now I disturbed this bed to show you the ant larva. Since larva is extremely vulnerable, it doesn't take a lot to harm it. Larvae can only live between 75 degrees and 96 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the criteria we're going to change. What about the worker ants? Well, they're cold-blooded and they're not going to like this either. Now I do this the day after I cut grass. The grass is nice and low and it works best for this application. Now here we have a live bed. Guys, they're mad, but they're fixing to get a lot madder. All you're going to need is a black garbage bag, and then you want to cut it to where it will cover the entire ant bed. That looks pretty good. Now I'm sure you see where this is going. We're going to cook this ant bed so hot the larvae will not be able to survive and the worker ants will be so miserable they'll leave. And I'll be honest with you, I've never had an ant bed pop up around an ant bed I've gotten rid of using this method. You'll want to anchor that plastic down, make sure that that plastic's taut, and make sure the corners are down as well to keep the wind from blowing them up. Now guys, it is 84 degrees outside of my house today and we're going to use a thermometer. You're saying, wait, that's a meat thermometer, but it does what every thermometer does. It takes temperature, so we're going to use it. So it's been about 2.5 hours since I set this up, and we're going to see if it's working. You can see it's starting to do its job, and it's going to get a lot worse for these guys. So this is the next afternoon. So what I do is I set it up about 2 o'clock on an afternoon. I let it cook that afternoon. I let it cook the entire next day. And the following day, I'll pull it about 5 p.m. And that's all it takes to kill an ant bed. So now it's the third and final day. It's about 5:30 in the afternoon. And I expect to see results. As you can see, there's not an ant to be seen.
Guys, I hope this video helps you out. Rid your yard of ants. You don't have to live with them, and you can get rid of them chemical free. So, my name is Dom, and this is 3 Bricks Higher. We post videos on about once a month, so I hope you check back or subscribe. That's up to you. Till then, we'll catch you next time. Hello.
Hey.
Hey, what you doing?
I'll take you back to it.
Okay.
Want to hear your voice?
All right. Well, I'm shooting a video.
I'm sorry, baby.
That's all. I love you too. Bye. It's my girl.